Today we're in the beautiful Brookdale neighborhood in North Naperville, right off of 88 and 59. This home, it's a ranch. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, and it's like the TARDIS. It's bigger on the inside than it is on the outside. It's so cute. Let's go check it out. This home has surprisingly large and spacious rooms and tons of natural light. There's a formal living room, a room that could be a dining room, currently an office, and then this really large great room that includes the kitchen, dining area, and family room. For a private tour of this home or any home, give me a call, shoot me a message. I'm Ruth Sheehan with the Ruth Sheehan team of eXp Realty, and I'll see you on the next video.